Imagine your AI assistant remembering your writing style, files, even your tone, across chats. No more re-explaining. And this change just rolled out to everyone. In this month, OpenAI launched a major upgrade. ChatGPT's memory is now smarter and available to free users. No subscription needed. Inside projects, ChatGPT pulls info from past chats, files, tone preferences, working like a true digital workspace. It uses two systems, saved memories. You tell it what to keep. Chat history insights. It learns patterns from past conversations. Ask it again. Find vegan recipes. It already knows you avoid meat. The benefits? Seamless multi-step work across days. Smarter deep research. You talk to it by voice today and it remembers your tone tomorrow. But there's a catch. As the Financial Times warns, expanding AI memory raises real privacy and manipulation risks. Experts worry, will it lead to over-personalization or worse? Reinforce biases or old mistakes? Thankfully, OpenAI keeps control in your hands. You can turn off saved memories, disable chat history reference, or use temporary chat to keep things fresh. But how you can do all of this? Turn off saved memories is basically stops ChatGPT from remembering you across chats. Just go to ChatGPT website. If you're not logged in yet, just log in. Click your name, profile icon on the top right corner. Select Settings, Personalization. Into the Memory section to find two slide bar. Just simple turned off and done. You ready the new fresh chat without any history. ChatGPT's memory overhaul is a pivot from one-off chatbot to long-term digital assistant. But as Google's Gemini and competitors add memory, the question remains, can we trust our AI with more of us? If you want more stories like this, hit the subscribe and don't miss the next breakthrough.